Hey everyone, this is Gus from Summit Racing Equipment. Today, we're gonna install a vent to atmosphere blow-off valve adapter that's brand new from Summit Racing Equipment. Part number is SUM 260078. It's gonna work on your 2013 and up Ford EcoBoost F-150s with a 2.7 and a 3.5. Really straightforward install. Here we go. First order of business, we're gonna take this lower charge pipe off. Disconnect it and give us a little extra room. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tube that vents the pressure back into the intake. We're gonna push it forward, give it a little bit of a twist, and that will let us pull this factory diverter valve out so we can install our new vent to atmosphere adapter. All right, now that we have everything out of the way, we're just gonna take out these two 8mm bolts and install our new vent to atmosphere adapter. All right, now we're just gonna take the last bolt out here, pull it straight out. There's your factory diverter valve. We're gonna install the new Summit Racing vent to atmosphere. We're gonna take the new vent to atmosphere adapter and install it using the factory hardware. Right, now that that's in place, we're gonna take the factory electronic valve. We're gonna install it using the included 5mm Allen head bolts. The plug should be facing to the passenger side of the vehicle. Let's tighten up our last Allen head bolt, nice and snug. Go ahead and plug in your factory electrical connector. All right, now that we have our adapter installed, our electrical reconnected, all we have to do is reconnect the recirculation tube, get the lower charge pipe into place, and we're ready to take this thing for a rip. Let's get it done. Get your retaining clip into position, and we're just gonna take this charge pipe, we're just gonna push it forward until we hear a click. All right, that wasn't that bad. Let's go take it for a test drive and hear what it sounds like. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to Summit Racing on YouTube. And remember, Summit Racing's powered by enthusiasts, so it's normal car guys like us every time you pick up the phone.